Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Wells Fargo bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Wells Fargo bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address wellsfargo.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Wells Fargo. So let's wait for it. Now on this interface guys, you can see there is the interface where you'll be able to log into your account, or you can just simply click on the sign on button at the top right corner of the screen. Both ways you will be landing on the same login page of your Wells Fargo account. So let's let it load. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username of your Wells Fargo account, and then enter your password which you had registered on Wells Fargo at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you've forgotten your username or your password, you can retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the sign on button available over here, and then you will be logged into your Wells Fargo bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Wells Fargo account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.